Before watching this video, first please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can never miss our upcoming videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make 3 different shakes by using banana. The first one is very healthy as we are going to make it with the healthy ingredients, and also it will be helpful in reducing weight. The second one is the regular shake. We are going to make it with only 3 main ingredients. The third one is very helpful in gaining weight as it has lot of calories in it. And also I'm going to mention the all ingredients in the description so that it will be easy for everybody to make it later. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. The first shake is very healthy because I'm going to use healthy ingredients in this. The first ingredient is banana, which is loaded with fiber and it's very easy to digest, and it's also very helpful to reduce swelling and to reduce weight. So I'm going to use the ripe banana for this because it has more sugar as compared to the green ones. My next ingredient is avocado. Avocado is full of nutrients like fiber and potassium. It helps to reduce cholesterol and prevent cancer. My third ingredient is spinach, which has good source of iron, and iron is very beneficial for our eyes. My next ingredient is chia seeds, which is very good to reduce weight. 1 glass of milk, 1 spoon of peanut butter. I will also put the dry fruits on the top of my shake. So I will take 5 to 8 almonds, 5 to 8 cashews and 5 pistachios. Okay, so now I'm going to add my all ingredients in the shaker. First I'm going to add 1 glass of milk, 1 bowl of spinach, 1 avocado, 1 spoon of chia seeds, and 1 spoon of peanut butter. I'm not going to add any artificial sugar in this. I will add the natural sugar which I'm going to get from peanut butter. After mixing everything for 1 minute, I'm going to add banana at the end. If you guys want, you can add banana at the beginning while mixing other ingredients, or you can add it at the last. After this, I'm going to blend it for 30 seconds. The last step is to add the dry fruits. So now I'm going to grind my dry fruits so that I can put it on the top of my shake. If you guys want, you can chop it with knife or you can add it with the other ingredients, but I like to put it in this way because I like to put it on the top of my shake. So I always grind it first and I put it on the top. half spoon of coconut powder, which is optional. So now it's time to make our second shake, which is the regular shake. So I'm calling it regular because I'm going to make it only with three main ingredients, which is 1 glass of milk, 1 banana, one full spoon of sugar. You can take it as per your taste, but I'm going to take 1 spoon only, and half mango, which is optional.
So third section is mine. So in this we are making a healthy shake which has more calorie that will be useful to gain your weight. You can take that shake after any game, like any heavy workout. You can take it because it has more calories. So we will take in this shake 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, 5 almonds and cashews, 5 to 6, and 5 pistachios, and 3 to 4 strawberries, and 1 full spoon of peanut butter, because that's a natural source of sugar and it has a good source of good fat. So we will take 1 full spoon because we need more calories after workout and after any heavy game. So I will also use one spoon of chia seed. You can use any seed in it, like flax seeds and hemp seeds. And 3 to 4 strawberries. Full spoon of peanut butter. A glass of milk. And 1 spoon of chia seeds. So now I'm going to make it. So at the end we will add 1 scoop of protein powder in our shake. That's totally optional. That's for those people who are doing heavy games, any kind of games, and a workout in the gym. So we will take that scoop in our shake as a post-workout drink. So otherwise you do not need to add that protein powder in your shake. It has already enough calories for you. At the end I will chop my dry fruits.
We hope you guys liked our today's video. Please do take a moment to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.